Yan na tayo.
Yeah, everything's good.
Yeah. Ako na mag-ano dito.
Tapos naghiwalay na dito sa hip dito sa
hip,
bone dyan.
yeah.
Tapos ito, I don't know how. We have to cut off the leg. Gusto mo i-cut? We have to cut off the leg. Sige.
Oo nga eh.
Ha?
The hack, no?
Oo.
Sige, gawin na natin yan. Oh. Sige, cut the leg. Yan, tapos gaganin. Hindi, yung with the balat, ito yung sinasabi niya. Ganyan, tapos gaganin niya.
Oh, hindi. Yeah. Pero, we'll go like this after we peel the balat.
Oh, sige,
Put it
sige.
on top.
Ano na yung ano?
Ha?
Yung mga naman.
Ito maganda to.
Oh, sige.
Mabigat yan.
Oo nga, no? Bigat nga nito. Wow.
Sa pagdating ng flavor, putol na. Tsaka ano yan, no?
Oo.
Matalas yan.
Kot ko pala eh. Ikaw
Yeah.
Ikaw eh. Yan ang totoo.
Totoo yan.
Yeah, forget about this bullshit thing. This,
see how heavy that is?
yeah,
Kapal, no?
yan ang kot ko. Yeah.
That's a good quality.
Yan.
Hindi. Saan ko ito po?
Yan. Yan.
Baka ito you can chop there.
Chop it na, no? I can chop it.
Hiwalay natin.
Kasi yung pork belly, yun ang masarap din, di ba?
Okay, so we can put this here.
Oh, chop ko na.
Tapos we can slice it kung gusto mo. Hiwalay ito, di ba?
Oo.
Ah,
Sige, wala na natin. Ano.
yeah, see how easy that was?
Yan. Sige,
Okay,
lagyan
tabi
na
mo na yan, pang paksiw yan.
Lagyan na nga natin.
Get a plate.
Lagyan na natin
Ang
dito.
dami natin ganyan. Marami tayong ganyan.
May madami. O, lalagay ko na ito. Lalagay ko na ito ng mga ano.
Nandito mas malaki. Mahaba.
Ah. Sige. Sorry ko.
Dahil laban dito, oh.
Ayan.
You can chop this. Hindi, inaalis ko lang yung butong malaki.
Sige.
Itong ball and socket.
Ayan, ball and socket. Ito na yung lalagyan na natin dito.
Here. Ito, lagay mo itong, saan tayo nilagay itong buto? Yan, at least. Yan, malinis yan, ha? Oh. You wanna start this?
Ako na dyan. Ako na dyan. Okay.
Lengthwise muna.
Yeah, bahala ka na. Oo, mag-ano na ako. Ganito.
Ganda, no?
Tanga na. Gumuntik na ako, ha? Gumuntik na yung kamay ko.
Huwag masyadong maliit, ha? Okay lang, medyo malaki.
Yung malaki, oo. Yan, okay na to.
Okay na yan,
Yan, ganyan.
Wala kang kala, may plate ka dyan, sa tabi mo. Dapat sa tabi mo yung plate.
Sige. Ang ano. Parang hindi tayo ano eh.
Parang hindi ka professional eh. Ikaw naman eh. Mahahalata ka niya. Mahahalata ka niya eh.
Ganyan. Ganda niyan. That's the cut ko, yan. Yan.
Ayos ba?
Ayos.
Tapos pagka nakat mo na yan, lalagyan natin ng konting balat sa ibabaw.
Oh, good. Ayun. Okay.
Oh, wasn't that difficult?
Galing talaga ng YouTube. Ganun eh.
Ito mga buto, kung paksiw to later on eh.
Oo.
Ha?
Diba?
You can give me now. Later doesn't matter. Let me do this first.
Ayun.
It's labeled.
Ayun.
Ito, masarap, ma-juicy yan.
Oh, juicy. Yung pork belly. Ito yung ano.
Do you want a chair? Chicken.
Lalagyan natin yung mabalat. Yan.
Yes. What is the rice? This is the rice and the rice from a chicken. Where are you gonna put the meat? The meat here, another meat. Is there another meat? Chicken. No, and the spring roll.
Oh yeah, it's very
No.
the peanut cherry is
Ayun. Yung mabalat.
Huh?
okay.
Okay, so extra.
Oh, that's the extra.
Yeah. Okay, but it's two trays.
Tuesday of extra. Here, baby.
Yeah.
Pagka napuno mo yan, lalagyan natin ng balat sa ibabaw.
Ah, sige. Yun.
Ha?
Yeah. Talagyan natin. Yung mga balat.
Ha? Dito, mga malulutong dito eh.
Then another one here. Yeah.
Masarap ba? Juicy.
Dito sa ano, sa likod, mag-juicy talaga.
Yeah.
Yung mga yan, yung cha.
But you have to dress it, okay? Because we don't want to do it before it gets soggy.
Kung okay yung kakto eh, just na siya ba?
Galing mo ah. Galing mo. Lalagyan natin yung mga yan. Sa ano.
Malasa.
Malasa. Cebuano daw to eh. Okay. Talagyan natin yung mga dark meat.
Ha?
Yung mga dark meat.
Uh-huh. If you don't want this, we can...
Yeah, ayun natin yan.
Pwede natin hiwala yung mga may itim. Huwag mo nang sali yan.
Yung mga ito, yung mga, yung mga itim.
Huwag mo nang sali yan.
Huwag mo na yan. Sige.
Okay, yeah.
Ayan.
Yeah, I'll put it in here. So this is...
Okay itong cut ko ah.
Ha?
Okay yung ano mo talaga.
Isang ganun eh.
Isang ganun lang, putol. Pati yung daliri mo.
Next time magkaroon lecture. Yay! Putol!
Oo.
Oh.
Yung isang ganun lang eh.
Clean cut eh.
Oo.
Hindi na dudurog.
Good. Yung mga ganito, yung mga ito, tapos lagyan na natin to.
Neighbor, right across the street.
Ito, lagyan na
Ay,
natin.
hindi yan malutong eh.
Hindi mo litong.
Hindi, ito ang malulutong.
Sige, sige.
Hey, here.
Lagyan natin. Sige.
Sige.
Ayan.
Yung, ano,
Lagyan mo na yan. Lagyan mo na yan.
so if you have to put
Yeah.
the fruits in here, and this
No,
one,
I have the rich, you have to go upstairs.
Ayan, sa likod.
because they're waiting. No, dito na yung fruits na isa. Yung isa, doon na lang.
Ganda. Parang
Ano?
professional. Walang sinabi si Mang Tomas.
si,
Ha?
si Mang, si Mang Mike. Si Mang Miguel.
Si Mang Miguel.
Si Mang Miguel.
Everything I put down here, okay?
Ayun.
Go outside, Tina.
This is how you serve it.
Yeah. Yan.
Ang dahil pang balat dito.
Sige, lagyan pa natin yan.
Ha? Dagdagan pa natin.
Oo, lagyan natin.
Ito yung red chop ulit.
Sige, pag ganun. Sige, ganun,
O
ganun.
lengthwise muna.
Lengthwise, ganyan.
Balik ka rin mo.
Balik ka rin.
Yan.
Ganon.
Oo. Ano yun? Dito muna.
Sige, sige. Yan lang.
I'm gonna go upstairs now, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, crispy.
Crispy, oh.
Is it two of you?
Ayan, tapos gano'n na.
Oh.
Yeah.
Ganito na lang.
Yeah, yeah. 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 You got it, bro. Oh, dahil ba? Oh, ayos ba?
Parang
Oh,
hindi ano eh.
Tama na muna yan?
Hindi, sige pa.
Isa pang another tray?
Oo, another tray.
Okay.
Dami na yan. Para... Ganyan lang pala magtadtad eh.
Hindi, we have... Ang dahil pang balat dito, ha?
Yeah.
Nandiyan pa, oh.
Hindi pa natin.
For the
yan.
next tray, yan, oh.
Yan.
See, maganda yung style na may laman.
Oo.
Everybody gets a piece of balat.
That's right.
Yeah.
Uy.
Maganda. Oh.
Yan.
Okay.
We good?
Ayan.
This is the
Parang
sauce
ano,
spring roll.
pagdating ng mama, oh, ayos na.
Ayos na.
So
Hindi
you
na
can
tayo
decide.
nag-ano.
Okay, the dress is here.
For the salad?
Yeah, I give you some gloves here, and then what you do is you just shake it really well before you mix it. You know how to mix it. Okay. So now, gonna mix it, or they'll be just the one before the
Okay. Good. Lagay ko na to. Sarado ko na to.
That's why we're gonna do it. Okay, so maybe before people come, put it out in the fridge. Then if they come in,
Tapos ito yung mga ganito, lalagay ko na dito.
Oh,
Yan yung ano natin.
madali yung i-cut later.
Innards. Okay, good.
no, but appetizer, this is salad, this is gonna be the appetizer. Oh, the fruit is over there. Okay, let me grab the fruit, you tray.
So I brought the salad over there.
Yes. No, spring roll over there, because she said it's traditional.
Okay, nice. Next one. Yan pala eh.
Okay.
This is for the spring roll.
This is the vegetable for spring roll, but I don't think anybody will eat it. I don't think people.
What you could just put the forward and the top.
Ito may konting malutong na balat.
Good.
Oh, what is this? Why did you order them? I love them.
I think it's written by the friend of Tanya. I think her mom made it.
Oh, mom made it?
Yeah, her mom.
Because I love empanadas. I don't know where they're from.
So give your partner, I mean the.
You good?
Yeah.
Where's the turon?
Here. Try this. Plantain inside, right?
Ito, pangpaksiw ito.
Okay, mga
Oo.
malalambot.
Ha? Paglulutuin mo na.
Oo.
Paksiw.
Yes.
Ito, lagyan natin sa ano.
Hindi ako sa malaki.
That's the spine.
Uy, okay yan. Mga ano.
Pagka niluto mo sa paksiw yan, malasa yan. Ito, the juice ito.
Yeah, very good.
Okay, this sauce here is for spring roll, okay?
Yeah, wait for the salad. Over this one. What is?
Spring roll for the salad. Yeah, if they eat, some people, most people don't eat it.
Oh, I like.
Oh, then you need to grab the lettuce and you dip, okay? And this is the Yeah, this you wrap.
Okay, so you eat, yeah.
Okay.
I just did it.
Oh, that too.
Yeah.
But we dip it with the lettuce and the basil.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you so much. You want to go over now? Oh, yeah. Oh, there you go. Thank you. Okay.
You got the check,
Oh,
right?
oh, no.
I gave you the check.
No, I haven't get anything. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Tell her I said
This is one of your cards. Is this yours? or
no. I'm glad you
Ito, piliin mo na lang kung ano yung malutong.
Sige.
Ha?
Yeah.
Yung makuna, huwag mo nang sali.
Huwag na sa akin. Okay.
What price?
Yeah.
Yun ang pwede isama sa paksiw yun.
Yung makuna.
Yung makuna. Oo. Ako kung gusto mo to, kuha na lang tayo ng bago.
Oh, sige. Lagay ko na to doon. Sa ano natin. Okay.
Yan ha. Puro crispy balat yan ha.
Okay. Oo nga, no?
Ha?
Yeah. Sarap niya.
Mhm. Masakit yung tuhod ko, ani.
Yeah, sit down, sit down, sit down. Tsaka iinom ka.
Ha?
Inom ka muna.
Wala ka namang beer eh.
Ayan, meron na dyan. Ayan dyan yung beer.
Ah,
Ayan dyan.
buti pa dali nila ko yung ano mo, flavor.
Oo, buti nga.
Ha? May jab, Longwa professional.
Oo. Pag hindi mo dinala, parang amateur lang tayo. Hindi tayo babayaran yan.
Puro ka gratis niya.
Ayun.
Nakita ka, gloves pa, talagang professional ang dating.
Oo, itim pa.
Ha?
Itim pa.
Oo. Sabihin mo, oh, ayan ha, very hygienic kami ha.
At saka may ano pa tayo. May apron pa.
Oh, apron ka.
Yeah.
You cannot mistake us for amateurs. Saan trash can ba?
At, yun, sa taas yan.
Ha?
Yan, yan.
Ito.
Ah.
Madaya tayo natagtad ah.
Dami na.
Ha?
Yeah.
If you want to get more balat ah, ayan oh, dahil dito ang balat oh.
Sige. Okay lang. Okay pa tayo ata.
Ah, okay na pa lang?
Yeah, okay pa tayo.
Oh, sige. May sabi pa sila.
Ano?
Dapat madaling lechon salsa.
Ay, nako. Sabi daw nila, hindi daw kasali.
How do you get a lechon without Mang Tomas Arana?
Eh, sabi nila, yung Cebu daw, they don't use.
Ay, nako.
But I bought.
Buti naman. Pwede bang hindi?
I bought.
Everybody is Cebuano.
Oo, I bought.
Yung mga peas na yan, don't
lalagay ko dun.
na lang dun yan. Malinis naman yan eh, pero it'll give flavor when you make paksiw.
Oo, paksiw dito.
Ah,
Paksiw.
kaya lang, who's gonna cook the paksiw? Marunong ba magluto ang mama mo? Hindi.
Hindi. Eh, mo na sila.
Hindi, somebody will volunteer.
Oh, good.
You know, see
We're
all
doing
that
good.
crispy skin?
Yeah.
Sa ibabaw yan, ah. Kung may gunting ka,
Pork belly. Tingnan mo, yan.
you went by quick.
Diba na? Galing. Good job, man. At least makikita pa nila, oh, it's a big.
Oh.
Basta,
Huwag mo masyadong takpan. Dapat mag-air para wag kumunat.
Ano?
What time are people coming over?
5. Ito na nga.
Oh, sakto. Okay, good. We're in time.
Yeah. At least na.
Close between 560 and 600.
Good.
So, ano
Good
ba?
at 600. Yeah.
Hindi na wind up paying in full for the...
Yeah. Well,
Ganun talaga.
ganun talaga.
That's the way you do it. You know, you
Yeah.
save your money, you invest in it, and then you use the equity.
Yeah. At tinan mo mamaya yung condo sa taas.
Pakita ko sa yung picture, baka magulat ka.
Ilang bedrooms? 2 bedrooms? 2 bedrooms? Eh, paano ako? Ano yung 3 bedrooms? Paano yun? When your mom comes? Eh, di wala.
Hindi, nagbabiyahe man po.
Hindi na.
Too old. Yeah.
Ayan.
2 bedrooms, 2 full baths,
Ah, okay.
with a balcony na malaki.
With a balcony. Ah, tingnan mo mamaya sa taas. Ang ginawa niya, it's a 3-bedroom.
Ah,
So, ang ginawa niya is doon sa isang bedroom.
office din.
Ginawa niya, kasi di ba she has a dining room set? Doon niya linagay. Tapos binutuasan niya, papunta sa kitchen. So, it's only 2 bedrooms. Ito yung ano.
Pero I didn't pay 450.
Magkano din?
Nag-close kami nung yung offer ko tinanggap yesterday.
Oh, good.
360.
Oh, 360. Nice. Nice.
Sabi ko, I'm not gonna buy anything above 400. Masyadong mahal.
Ah.
Not worth it.
Oo.
Eh, nakakita ako ng 360. Tapos andun pa sa ano, very nice location sa World Gate
Our gate.
area. Doon sa ano, sa Van Buren.
Patay.
Ba't patay?
Okay, we'll see.
Well, andun, sino nakatira doon?
Si Alpha. Nandun yung mga Alpha. Pero,
Sino Alpha?
a little bit
Sino Alpha?
going Herndon-wise.
Sino Alpha?
Kasi ganito si Alpha.
Sino Alpha?
Itim. Ano nila Ola. You know, remember Ola? You don't know Ola. So anyway, doon siya a little bit, may park doon eh. At saka yung golf course, the Herndon golf course. So, doon sa mga ano doon, mga
Ano ba? Fringe neighborhood? Hindi naman.
hindi, mga neighborhood na mga
Mga luma na.
oh.
It's an old neighborhood.
Pero if you're here in the World Gate side, on the right side, doon sa mga
High-rise.
corporate, sa mga high-rise,
yeah.
maganda doon.
Oo.
Pero if you go to, yung nga, towards...
Past Elden?
Hindi, nandun ka sa Elden.
Ha? Ako malapit ako sa metro station ng ano.
Oh, okay. Maganda yun.
I'm just
Maganda
two
yun.
blocks down from the metro
Yan,
station.
maganda yun. Maganda yun.
Alam mo ba yung office ko, yung Cogen, is right next to the metro station?
Oh, good. So, doon ka na lang maglalakad ka na lang.
Pwede
or
maglalakad ka na.
That's what you should do, no? Maglakad ka. So you can exercise.
Pag when the weather becomes a little cooler,
Oo.
spring and...
Ay, nako. Do it now. Pa-konti-konti.
Yeah. And then also gonna buy, i-revive ko yung bicycle ko.
Forget about, I mean,
And then I'm gonna put a motor.
ako na nga I'll give you that. I'll give you another.
Para I can ride the ONB trail and all that.
May motor, I-15 e-bikes.
Dahil mo namang e-bike.
Na ano ko
Lahat
eh.
ng anak mo.
Talagang everybody has it.
Na-addict ka sa e-bike.
Oo, tapos I had an e-bike, tapos sabi ko, teka lang, ano tong 2,000 watts? Mas mabilis. Sabi ko,
Mabilis yung 2,000 watts.
Oo, going 50
Usually,
miles
ang
an hour.
pinakamataas 1,500
However,
Malakas sa baterya.
hindi, maganda. I had a big battery.
Ah.
Pero, the safety. Paano pag may isang lubak lang? Step lang, patay ka.
If you're too fast.
Yeah, especially in that train.
Either wanna go over 30 miles.
Kaya nga, yeah. But you have the option to go 50 miles an hour.
Yun na nga eh.
But-
Paano kung napadulas ka sa accelerator?
Nako,
And you
patay
start
ka.
going,
Patay ka.
hindi mo makontrol.
Yeah, patay ka.
Tapos, wala ka pang helmet sometimes.
Yung helmet mo,
Oh,
yung
that-
bicycle helmet lang.
Hindi designed for 50 mile an hour crash.
No, it's not good.
Tapos yung katawan mo kakainin ng scrape sa floor.
Oo. Hello! Come on, hello!
Hi! I didn't see you.
Hello!
I saw you come in and I had to go.
Hi.
How are you?
This is Mike.
How are you?
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
My hands are
It's
greasy.
okay. No, I know you guys are doing all the hard work.
So here's so
Lechon.
everybody's here now? Or?
No.
What time did we-
Do you want to go to the blessing? They were just about to...
No, let them.
Yeah. There was a lot of people, so we just,
Oh, there's a lot of people.
Yeah,
over
well,
there.
first they told us everybody come downstairs, and we were halfway already going,
Uh-huh.
and then the two people that were gonna do the reading
Uh-huh.
were already coming up, and I was like,
Yeah, we should start because Yeah, we don't want, yeah, well, we already did that. So, there's 2 batches.
Yeah. Okay, sorry. Baka magulat ka. Baka magulat ka.
Patingin nga.
You'll be surprised how nice it is. I'm so happy I got it. Akala ko hindi ko makukuha. And then, fake.
Kailangan ko muna si Janine.